Hi, I'm Manish Kumar, certified pranic healer and instructor and co-founder of Healing Buddha. Healing is my passion and I have been healing for more than a decade now and have been very successful in healing many complex and critical cases. With a rich experience, I'm coming with one of the most amazing program on healing, which is Heal Your Heart, Liver and Kidney Conditions. And it's going to be a 2 months program of intensive healing. Now, how this program is unique and important, the thing is, many of you already know that heart, liver, and kidney is one of the most vital organ triangle. When I say triangle, that means each organ affects each other directly or indirectly in their functions. So failure of one leads to the complications in other in most of the cases, and that is why we do hear about that failure of one organ leading to the failure of other vital organs, one of them either liver or kidney as such. So the key is healing all these three organs not only help to vitalize or regenerate or say strengthen the functioning of the three organs, but also strengthen the overall body to get extent and lead to a very healthy body as such. Now this session is for whom? So anyone who has or have or had heart ailment, anyone who have or had a history of liver ailment, anyone who have or had a history of kidney ailments, or if you are already having that, right? And or want to take this healing to avoid any associated issues related to these organs. Rather, actually, this is a very fantastic opportunity for most of the people to take advantage from this program is get the function and strengthen your heart, liver, and kidney so that you avoid many of the complicated health issues or chronic health issues. Not only that, it supports the overall body function itself. So it is good and smart thing to take advantage even if you don't have any health condition as such. If somebody has any chronic issues where you think that these chronic issues may result in the risk of affecting these three organs or either of it or all of them, then you can also take advantage of this program. Like if suppose if you have a diabetes, these organs do get affected. Now, whether it's pranic healer or non-pranic healer, you can be a part of this program. It is just a healing as a therapy done to all the participants as such. Now, do I need to continue any medications during the 2 months program? We always say, please continue taking the medications as prescribed by your doctors. Even if you have any other health issues, you please continue the medications. If you are taking other therapies like acupuncture, acupressure, then please continue that, but let me know in the registration form so that I can plan the healing for you accordingly as per your this therapy is going on, because these are also other type of energy therapy even if you're taking Ayurveda or any other things. Now, the important thing is once the healing starts, then you have to monitor your health conditions and be in touch with the doctor to see if any of the medication has to be tapered down or closed or stopped. Because many other times when the healing starts, based on the improvement, the medications start get tapered down or reduced, and that but definitely that has to be taken decision with the help of medical doctors. Now, can this program improve my health conditions? I have just listed few of them just in case any of you have coronary artery disease or had a history of it, then arrhythmia or hypertension, defective valve, congenital heart ailments, if you have a liver cirrhosis or fibrosis or fatty liver or a hepatitis or has a history of hepatitis or any other liver issues, kidney infections, polycystic kidney disease, or had a history of any of the above ailments, it is very important to take the healing as well. And that's why I mentioned that like coronary artery disease, for suppose somebody has been diagnosed with this condition, then in the past maybe the angioplasty has been done, whether it is a stent or the balloon implanted. Now what happens is there is a management required to that, because there are blood thinning medications, there are certain receptors and other medications given to allow the whole body to function, but it has certain side effect as well. It affects the immunity and other side effects. So better is slowly, gradually, you strengthen your whole body, right? Still, even if you had been very successful with the angioplasty or other, but this applies to all because these are most of the conditions which I have listed here are chronic in nature. So there's a smart thing to address these three vital organs as well because they will support the functioning of others in a better way and your body will be more healthier. Now, from the energy point of view, how we approach healing. So, those who are not from energy or they are going to experience the energy healing for the first time, what we say is that our body has two parts. One is the physical body, a visible physical body, which is the 30% what we see and touch. The remaining 70% of the body is in a etheric body or the energy body. Right. Anytime any disease happens, there will always be an imbalance in the physical body and also in the energy counterpart. And rather, very interesting fact is most of the time the imbalances first comes into the energy counterpart of your body. If not addressed or imbalances rectified, it manifests as a ailment. So the smart thing is to integrate the healing, which is respective for the physical body, whether through medications in case of chronic ailments, and integrate with the energy therapy so that both the part of the bodies are addressed and the healing will be miraculous in many times, in most of the cases. Now, another very interesting fact is in healing heart, liver, and kidney ailments, they are qualified most of the time as a chronic ailments. Now, most of these ailments are because of psychosomatic in nature. That means there are certain psychological reasons which are the root cause of contributing to the condition or the malfunctioning of the heart, liver, and kidneys. So, in this program, I'll be doing a psychotherapy to remove most of the associated emotional factors or psychological reasons contributing to the this organ's function. So that is going to be a very holistic program in healing these conditions or these organs as such. Again, what would be the my healing time sessions? Again, healing will be done between 8:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. your time. So even if you are different part of the world with different time zone, you can still be a part of this program because the it will be between 10:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. your time. So more details will be shared in the registration link so that I would know which time the healing has to be scheduled for you. So again, as a participants, what you expected to do? Again, as I said, the time is between 10:30 to 8 p.m. Expectation is finish your shower or bath before 10:30 a.m. so that I can schedule the healing for you accordingly. Monitor your overall health regularly, how the things not only with heart, kidney, and liver, but other associated health conditions if you have it. Please keep a monitor on that, how they are improving. And there will be a regular feedback expected from you as well. Now, in case you have already have issues with liver, heart, and kidney, then definitely you can do the LFT or liver function test, kidney function test, or associated heart function test before the program, and after 15 days or so, again you take it, see how things are improving, consult the medical doctors. If any medications to be tapered down, please go ahead. Right? Any other things I need to follow during program? Yes, during the program, we will be sharing certain simple exercises which you can do, which supports the functioning of heart, liver, and kidneys. There are certain breathing techniques will be shared to you, and also there is a mudra healing technique. There are certain mudras of the hand mudras, different mudras will be shared to you, which you can follow as part of the program, which hardly takes 5 minutes as such, which also helps to strengthen the functioning of the heart, liver, and kidneys, and overall health actually. Right? So, again, a very common question some of you may ask where the improvement which can be achieved is the part of this program will be permanent. Well, it is a very difficult question to answer. Why? Because there are many factors like your age, severity of condition, associated disease condition, lifestyles, which can vary. However, from the past experiences of healing many critical cases, we have been very successful. I'm very hopeful to achieve fantastic outcome from this program because for the first time, a thorough healing in detail and many healing techniques will be applied to improve the condition of these three vital organs and the overall body as such. So, but again, please note this question is very difficult to answer in any modality. I always say when you have a fever, you go to a medical doctor, you get healed, but the medical doctor also can't give a guarantee that you cannot have a fever in future, right? So same applies here as well. But yes, there is going to be a good improvement. I'm very hopeful for this program. And so for more details, more clarifications, you can always contact us. It is this number. The registration link will be given into the message, separate message. Please follow the registration link and more guidelines as part of this program. Looking forward to see most of you to take advantage from this fantastic program coming to you. Thank you.